Hello viewers, welcome to Prepare Yourself YouTube channel. Today's I discuss about rectangle. Click here and take rectangle. Specify the first point and specify the second point. Then you got rectangle. Again click here, then take rectangle, specify the first point and specify the second point. Then you get rectangle. If you want to draw a rectangle with dimension, you can draw a rectangle with dimension. Click here and take rectangle and specify the first point, then press D, space enter, then specify the length. I give length to enter, then give the width. I give the width 3, enter. Then if you want to draw rectangle with rotation, you can draw rectangle with rotation. Take rectangle and specify the first point, press R, press enter, then give the degree. Give the degree 60 degree, press enter, then select point. Now if you draw rectangle with area, you can draw. Select rectangle, specify the first point, then click A, then click enter, then give the work area. Give the work area 30, press enter, then select length or width. I select length, then give the length value. Give the length value 23, press enter, then we come. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.